Hey, I'm Jeff from Full Race, and today I wanted to talk to you about the studs that attach your exhaust or turbo manifold to your engine. And this specifically is an F-150 EcoBoost engine out of a Ford Raptor, but this is a mild steel stud. The problem with this is that it's not suitable for very high temperatures. What you'll see happen is these things get overheated, they can stretch, they can snap. That can cause a very large exhaust leak, which will eventually warp the exhaust manifold and even possibly the head. So if you're going to be pushing your truck real hard, if you're towing, if you're off-roading or doing some serious power upgrades, it's a really good idea to upgrade these studs. The bare minimum, you'll want to use a stainless steel, but at Full Race, we're known for really solving problems and maybe a little bit of turbo overkill, and what we have here is an Inconel stud. And this is actually designed to be super stable at very high temperatures, so direct plug and play. The thing that's really interesting about this, and it's hard to see, but the threads on the normal stud are very clearly defined. They're rolled, and that seems good because you thread it in, it goes in nice and easy. But what's interesting is this is an exhaust manifold. You do not want this loosening. The engineers who designed the stud have actually created an anti-rotation feature on the threads. So this thing is a locking stud that locks into the head and it won't loosen during heating and cooling cycles. So at the end of it all, this does not ever need to be replaced. These are supposed to be replaced every time you loosen them. This will probably outlast your engine in your truck. And if you're serious about reliability and you're trying to maintain the highest level performance from your vehicle, this is a no-brainer investment.